Okay, this is gonna be quick. You know, the only problem I have with Nintendo Switch is it doesn't support natively the wireless headphones. So that is where this comes in. This is the Gulikit Route Air Pro. What is it? It is a wireless dongle for your Bluetooth headphones. Look at the profile, it's so slim. The way it works is, here is a USB Type-C dongle connector, and you can connect two pairs of headphones at once. So you can play with your partner on the same Nintendo Switch with wireless Bluetooth audio. And almost that's pretty much it. The cool thing is you can pair with your wireless headphones or earphones or earbuds, and the experience is pretty much lag-free audio. It's real time. And you know what? If you want to use voice chat for games like Fortnite on Nintendo Switch, this is included too. The 3.5mm headphone jack. So you can plug it right here, and now you can use your headphones with microphone as an in-game microphone. How cool is that? So the way you pair them is, see the A and B right here? Yep, that's the right way. This is channel A and channel B, so you can connect two pairs of headphones at once. So just press either of them and then enter pairing mode on your headphone. So here's a Sony WF-1000 XM3. What a name, right? By the way, I reviewed them. You can click it right here for the review. Shameless plug. So for my headphones, enter pairing mode, I just tap and hold each touchpad for 7 seconds. And the cool thing is, once you pair it, it remembers. So even if you turn off and unplug everything from your Nintendo Switch, the next time you plug this in and turn on the game, it remembers and reconnects automatically. And you know, it's not just for handheld gaming only. They also give you this, the USB-C to USB-A adapter. So you can connect this slim part to the USB-A part and plug this in the dock, so you can enjoy wireless audio in docked mode too. And did I mention it works on PS4 as well? So the way you use it is pretty much the same, but to use with PS4, you gotta go into some device setting in PS4 and then choose connect to Bluetooth headphones. It's a few more steps than in Nintendo Switch, but it's quick. So as I said, this is gonna be a quick video. So pros: almost no lag in audio, almost no audio delay. It's pretty much real time, which is good for gaming because you have to react quickly. And two, look how slim this is. And you know, if you don't want to use a voice chat like you're playing a single player game, you don't even need this headphone jack. You can leave it at home. And then when you go out, just leave it on your Switch. It's slim like this. How cool is that? The only con I can find is, especially when playing with PS4, it doesn't output much audio. The volume is pretty much lower than when playing on the Switch. I almost all the times have to crank up the volume in the PS4 setting just to make it output more on my wireless headphones. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video or you learned something new from my video, please consider liking or subscribing. I'll see you next time.